This video is in collaboration with Care of. Hello everyone, so I've been going through some things lately and I know many of you guys are too. And at this time, it's just important to remember that challenges in life, no matter how difficult, are just here to make us stronger, and that it's perfectly okay to take things slowly, one day and one step at a time. This is my self-care routine. So a new self-care habit that I've developed recently is buying fresh flowers at the grocery store. And it's such a wonderful little pick-me-up. I think I spent less than $30 for 4 bouquets, and I was able to fill my entire room with flowers. So I have a few favorite vases. The colored ones are from Hawkins, New York, but I've also been collecting different jars, and some of them are actually like food jars or sauce jars. So just keep your eye out for any sort of glass container that could work really well as a flower jar. And I have so many different types of favorite flowers now. So I have 4 different kinds today, and the yellow ones are chrysanthemums. More specifically, these are called spider mums. I just really love to spend so much time arranging flowers and just plucking away the little leaves and arranging them nicely. It is so calming and so relaxing. These are lilies, specifically Peruvian lilies, or people also call them lily of the Incas. I'm also a huge fan of daisies, and these are specifically Gerbera daisies. And also one of my absolute favorite flowers are actually chamomiles. I just love how natural these flowers look. It gives a bit of like quaintness. I feel like these days when I'm locked up indoors and I'm just feeling really gloomy, bringing a little bit of nature and color into my space has been such a great break for my mental health. So now that we've done that and we've brightened up our space, I am moving into my full body self-care routine. So first, I have already introduced this to you guys. This is the Ghost Sheet exfoliating shower towel, and this is made in Japan. This towel is both soft and gentle and yet exfoliating at the same time. And I think it is really about the quality of the fibers. And I know there's like different cheaper types of exfoliating towels out on the market, but I've tried them and it just feels so rough and so scratchy, and it's actually extremely irritating on my skin. And I like to exfoliate about once a week, and I mainly focus this on areas like my legs and also the bottom of my feet and also my back and my neck. Following up, this is my favorite body lotion in the world. It is the body cream from Seaweed Bath Co. And then following up with that, this is the fur oil. This product is for ingrown hairs, and if you do any sort of hair removal on any part of your body, I truly feel like this product is amazing and life-saving. Next, we're moving on to hair, and we're going to be doing a hair mask. And this is the Fiber Fix Bond Connector number 2 from Fanola. And I'm just applying this to damp hair, and I'm leaving it on for 20 minutes. And I'm putting my hair up in a microfiber towel, which you guys will see later on. Next, I'm also doing a lip mask, and Glow Recipe has been one of my favorite skincare brands for a long time. So I believe it was pretty recently that they launched the Watermelon Glow Lip Pop, and this is a 3-in-1 product. It goes on as a very light and very gentle scrub, but it sort of melts to become this very beautiful, hydrating, light pink balm. Next, you guys know my favorite sheet mask in the world. This is the Rich Moist Soothing Tensile Sheet Mask from Dear Claire's. And at this point, after doing like all of my shower routine and also my skincare and my hair mask and all these extra things, at the end of all of this, I probably will honestly have spent like 2 hours in the bathroom. Whenever I'm feeling sad or down, I spend a ridiculous amount of time in the bathroom, and it's always been kind of a sacred place for me where I can unwind from the day, just away from everybody. And I spend a lot of time by myself, focusing on myself and kind of nursing my spirit back to health. So I am going to let my sheet mask and also my hair mask sink in for like 20 minutes, and until then I'm just going to be chilling on the bed. So now that we've done self-care on the outside of our bodies, let's work on self-care on the inside of our bodies. So I have been taking vitamins and supplements from Care of for a couple months now. So Care of takes a more personal approach to self-care, and they have an online quiz that makes it really easy to know what vitamins and supplements you need to achieve your personal health and wellness goals. So they ask you questions about your diet, your lifestyle, your health goals, and then they use that research to recommend you a plan. Personally, for me, I was worried about things like health and energy, and also sleep, and also things like my hair, skin, and my nails. And so as a result, I got things that were personalized for me, like melatonin, magnesium, and also their Glow Trio for hair, skin, and nails, and also some iron. And Personally, I would actually really recommend their melatonin packs. I have been taking melatonin even before I knew of Care of, so I do have quite a lot of experience with melatonin, and I've taken different kinds from many different brands, but I actually am really impressed and really obsessed with the melatonin packs. You can take Care of's quiz and see what vitamins and supplements they recommend for you, and you can use my code MAY25 for 25% off your first 3 months with Care of. And while we are continuing to wait the rest of the 20 minutes for my face mask and my hair mask, I am putting on some trashy reality TV. Currently, I have been really obsessed with Hulu because I finished watching Netflix, and I am just going to be playing Animal Crossing on my Switch. This is exactly what a perfect day would look like for me, laying in bed with a hair mask and a face mask, some cake, some iced tea, flowers, and also trashy reality TV and Animal Crossing. I'm proud to say that I clocked in over 200 hours for Animal Crossing, and you know, honestly, I'm surprised that I haven't put in more hours. And you guys know Sesame, we have been getting really close lately. He just took a really long time to warm up to me. I adopted him a couple months ago, and he's just been really close to me recently. We're like best friends, and he's always coming to find me to see what I'm doing. So now that our 20 minutes are up, it is so satisfying to peel off a face mask and look at how glossy and hydrated my skin looks. And then after tapping in that essence, of course, I'm following up with like moisturizers and things like that. I'm using 2 different types of moisturizers to finish off my skincare routine. I'm using the Lala Retro Whipped Cream from Drunk Elephant on the dry parts of my skin, and then I'm using the Paula's Choice Omega Plus Complex Moisturizer for the oilier parts of my skin. So taking off my microfiber hair towel, you can tell how hydrated and how silky my hair looks. And I just quickly rinse that off in the shower. Of course, it's always important to follow up with aftercare and leave-in product if you have chemically treated and damaged hair like myself. So I am mixing together the Restructuring Leave-In Conditioner from Fanola with some of the Diamante Puro oil, and this together works wonders on my hair. It leaves it feeling really silky and combable, and that way my hair doesn't snag or break. And that is it for my self-care routine. We have done everything from focusing on the outside to the inside, from head to toe, and honestly, I always feel so relaxed after an entire day of self-care, and sometimes it's just really necessary. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves, and as always, I will see you guys again next week.